This tutorial will demonstrate the clash and clearance analysis function in RhinoBIM. Clash and clearance analysis detects where any two building components clash into one another or where they violate a user-defined zone of clearance. We will use this design model to check between architectural components and structural components. The clash and clearance analysis can be found under the Analysis tab at the top of the menu. We need to define two sets to compare against one another. To put components into a set, we can select one component at a time, or select many components at one time by color, by layer, or by group, or select all structures. For the exterior walls, we'll select by color and select one of the surfaces. And then in set 2, we'll select all structures. You can see that the analysis function puts all selected elements for set 1 as green and all selected elements for set 2 as blue. This is to distinguish which component is in which set. Now we can set a clearance value. The model is set in inches, and if we set a value for 0, the program will only check for clashes. If we set a value and take, say, 2, we will now have a zone of 2 inches about every component. Now we'll select the Calculate button, and the program will calculate all the incidences where a clash or clear has occurred in the model. And in this model we have 87 incidences. And let's check, for example, a hard clash number 68. We can right-click the mouse button and select Zoom to, and the program will display and show zoom to where this incident occurs. It shows this structural member clashing against this wall. We could also right-click and do a snapshot of that image, and it'll file a JPEG away with the incident number. It's a hard clash and the names of the two structural components or the walls where the clash occurs. Having this program work right inside Rhino allows the user then to go fix this problem without having to export to another program. Also, when you right-click, you could select Export, and the program will export all the incidences to an Excel spreadsheet.